as we look at broadening what we do, it gives us an opportunity to provide security in places that we just never have been able to before. Around the world, we have a number of different divisions and a number of different businesses within those divisions that each have particular areas of focus, whether that's firmware or software, lock manufacturing, or specialization in network security. And we've leveraged a lot of these different companies around the world to help us build some of our products. By better understanding the customer's own day-to-day, they can help us understand how do we tailor fit our solution to be best. I think if you look at all the different technologies that we work with and all the different kinds of customers that we work with, and all the solutions that we provide, we're definitely more of a technology company than we are a lock company.
Innovation Day started about a year and a half ago. It was all about capturing the minds of our engineers. We have had over 180 great ideas that came out of it. With regards to testing, we've used a lot of rapid prototyping in our alpha testing. We've also used automation in our lab testing. So this has really resulted in the speed and accuracy of our testing, which is very critical to make sure that we meet all the UL requirements and all the right format. How can we get things done faster, quicker, and better? That's the name of the game, and that's what I'm here to support.
My job in quality is to make sure that the products that we send to the field are perfect so that, that our sales folks can do their job and sell products and stand behind it for the customer. The quality assessment is a tool that we developed where it basically allows us to communicate with all of the different teams as we start elevating our internal expectations. It helps us set goals that are achievable and move the bar and improve processes. Our goal is to build quality into our products, into our processes, so that we delight our customers wherever possible.
FMEA stands for Failure Mode Effect Analysis. It's a very disciplined approach to look at a design and try to predict failure modes before they occur in the field. To look at it from a customer's standpoint as opposed to an engineering standpoint and a manufacturability standpoint, and try to predict those failures before they have a chance to occur out in the marketplace.
We have 3 labs, one in each of our factories for the Access and Egress hardware group. It allows us to test our products at the source and identify any issues much quicker, which helps us to launch our products faster. It's also allowed us to increase our testing capacity by over 50% over the past 3 years, and it gives us the option to provide extended as well as above and beyond cycle testing so that we can ensure our products remain superior in their performance over time.
At ASSA ABLOY Guadalajara, quality at the source is a principle that guides our daily work. To further engage quality, we also incorporate inline testing to ensure that each sub-assembly operates as expected. Our technology and creative innovation is part of our DNA at ASSA ABLOY Guadalajara, and we're happy to share this with you.
So there's really never been a better time for premium products. It's the tornado, it's the blast doors, it's EAC, it's behavioral health, it's government. There is a demand in the market for more decorative products. The aesthetic appeal, it's growing in popularity. It takes a significant engineering team and a business development team and a marketing team to bring this to bear. It can be very rewarding for the company that does it right. DSS sponsors the red carpet tours. We're big advocates of it because it really benefits our brands and all the brands. There's really nothing like it in the industry. It's also a good time for customers to get relationships with our people. I think they see the energy here, our focus on innovation.
This would help a lot because it puts a face to who's working on it, what they have invested in it, and you get to real life see things in action from the smallest part to the completed unit.
All of our orders, anytime this customer has a requested date, we enter that in our system and we measure our success rate to that. Just in the past year, we've improved that by about 10 percentage points. We're making a change at the heart of our process management, basically our ERP system, drive the entire supply management and manufacturing scheduling off of the customer's request date as opposed to off of our acknowledged date. In order to make an actual physical brass lever that we could put in a customer's hands, we've invested in some machining technology where we can now take a hunk of brass raw material and machine to an architect's design and they can actually have the actual real-life lever and get that done in a couple of days. We recognize that being located in Connecticut, transportation time from here to our customers on the West Coast is a bit of a competitive disadvantage. So we developed a program that we refer to as our West Coast Express program. We're now promising 5 days from the point the order is placed till the product shows up at our customer's door.
We're starting to utilize collaborative robots out in our manufacturing process, taking a leadership role when it comes to energy sustainability. We've got a lot of internal measures to reduce our consumption.
The support group is completely tied into both our engineering teams and our product management teams. So the support people may be the ones on the phone or solving it, but behind the scenes there's a tremendous effort, a collaborative effort with that engineering group, product management group to solve it. It's all hands on deck when something like that happens. For us, it's all about helping the sales team, making the customer know that they're going to get a response, that they're going to have a courteous response, and they're going to have a group of very bright, smart, talented people helping resolve their problem. That's what we do.
We're using technology to enhance the customer experience, to make it faster and simpler to interact with us. Some of the tools that we do offer to try and improve the process are things like the customer support app. It does allow the agent to, on their monitor, to see a full-size view of what the customer is showing, and it also, with telestration, allows them or the client to actually draw on the picture to make their point. Our goal is a truly integrated digital experience delivered through mobile devices that will differentiate us from our competition.